Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and I want to talk about some more stuff in this video. Um, Let me comment down below if you like the talking during the videos. But yeah, this is a high explosive dub. A lot of things happened during this, like, well, you'll see in the video. But tell me if you guys are with the Tfue side or the FaZe side. Who do you think is right and who do you think is wrong? Comment below why. Me personally, I think just this whole thing is
Bitch, I hope the
messed up.
fuck you do. You'll be a dead
Why
son
release
of a
all
bitch,
this to
I
the
tell you
public?
that.
Why they couldn't handle this privately? It's just a weird thing. Tell me down below if I was like so close to dying right here. I was ragging like enough. As you can see, our teammate left because we didn't pick him up. He is salt, but I was 4 HP. He was 70. We had to get out of there. Later in the gameplay, you can see that we recovered from it. He just killed the dude because I told him to land up there, and because when you got high ground and high explosive is actually clutch. I had to waste all my mats right here.
Oh, nigga!
Like, I got killed by that. Like, I don't know what that was. He was so close to killing me, and then my teammate just came with the rocket launcher, which was so clutch, but I didn't know where the grenade launcher came from. That's why I was just like looking around, confused to see if there was somebody there. As you can see, he picked me up in the open, only because it's high explosive and it's not regular mode. We get sniped, and you could actually see the bullet coming. So, yeah. Actually, I'm just gonna, yeah. I'm gonna, if you have the music behind the gameplay, that's what I'm gonna add now. But remember to comment down below your thoughts on Tfue and the FaZe contract and all that stuff. But also leave a like, comment, and subscribe on the video if you're new. Let's get it. I hope you enjoyed the commentary for these 2 minutes, and I might do more commentary, but I don't know. It's like literally nothing to talk about. Oh yeah. One more thing I gotta talk to y'all about. How do y'all feel about the jump gun never coming back to the game because it's so OP and yeah, stuff like that? But yeah, smash that like button, like, comment, enjoy the rest of the video.
You can spit acid on him if you want to.